Hello and welcome back again. So this video is in continuation of the previous video, the link to which I would have given in the description below. In the previous video, we have discussed about decoding the JSON string into the structs or classes that exist inside our code. So this video will be speaking about encoding the struct or classes that is there in our class, in our code, and sending the data to the server. So we need data because whenever we communicate with the server, it is the data that we send to the server and not any, coding language specific structures. And that's why we'll have to do encoding before we can send the data to the server. We'll see how that is. Taking the previous example, we would no longer need this JSON string because this we just try to imitate, JSON string that we get from the server. That would not be, needed for this case. And I'll also comment this because this is all about decoding part. Now we'll move on to encoding part. So imagine there is a struct book and the user just enters all the details. He gives the book name and price, and we need to save it on the server. So say let my book instance shall be book. So I have a struct like this with the book name, some random book name, and the price can be say 20.5. So we have the book instance, but we need to convert this to data. We need to encode it to data so that we can transfer it via server. So how we do that is let data equal to, we again call JSON but encoder this time, and do dot encode and give the value. It's as simple as that, but couple of things to check. This again throws, so we'll have to do it in do and try this. Try. If this doesn't work, then go to catch block and print. Oops, some error. Okay, so if it doesn't work, it comes to catch block and prints the error. So this is all. Let's see if our data, if our structure instance has already as successfully got converted to data. So I run this and I see bingo, we have 45 bytes of data. So if we have to be, still confirming if this has actually worked because we don't have the server side, we can go ahead and check things here. What I'll do is I'll again decode the data and see what it has. It has to obviously return the same one that I first add. So let me decode where decoded data equal to JSON decoder dot decode. So my it will be of type book dot self from data, and this again I shall do try and try exclamatory that tells it is definitely not going to fail. This is not a good practice, of course, but for just for time being, I just do this and I say print my decoded data dot name. So they should actually give me give this name, some random book name. Let's see if this works. Ha, bingo. So it works, as easy as that. Believe me, this has been a real mess a while ago, and now it's all so simple as this. There are still other problems we might face. For example, say as of now, the name and the price that we get, the variable names that we get here are same as what we have here. So imagine a server sending something like this, name underscore new or price underscore new, but my struct name would not be same as what the server sends. So cases like this will be discussed in the next video. Stay tuned.